and you are watching News Moment English. Today's headline: press meeting regarding Ram Navami in Banpur. Road blocked in front of BPO office demanding drinking water. Great Kalash Yatra for Gayatri Yagya. Great inauguration of shooting range at Asansol India International School. Supreme blow to Mamata government. Teachers recruitment panel of 2016 cancelled. 26,000 job loss.
Please like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830285.
Start shipping with e-com delivery. For PIN code franchise courier contact. Please contact 9774030-17593-1908857 to 758-597-1093.
Supreme blow to Mamata government. Teachers recruitment panel of 2016 cancelled. 26,000 job loss.
The Supreme Court has completely cancelled the SSC teacher recruitment process of 2016 in West Bengal. A bench of Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Sanjay Kumar said that there has been massive rigging in this recruitment process. With this decision, about 26,000 teacher jobs in the state have been cancelled. The court has directed the state government to start the new recruitment process within 3 months. There were serious allegations of corruption in this recruitment process of 2016. The Kolkata High Court had already cancelled it, after which the state government had appealed to the Supreme Court. Also, the court upheld the decision of the Kolkata High Court, which ordered the return of salaries to teachers appointed against the rules. The verdict was reserved after the hearing was completed in February.
Eid Milan in Shripur with Shero Shairi.
As per reports from MD Khalid and MD Moin, several dignitaries were present like MLA Hariram Singh, Prempal Singh, Udeep Singh, Kurban Bhai and others.
वॉलंटियर आप अपना काम निभाएं। वॉलंटियर आप अपना काम निभाएं, भीड़ को संभालें। रास्ता को भी क्लियर रखें और भीड़ को भी संभालें। हेलो, हमारे वॉलंटियर से मेरी गुजारिश है कि अपने अपने काम को।
धन्यवाद। ईद के उपलक्ष्य में आज ईद मिलन उत्सव सिटी सेंटर में रखा गया है। इससे पहले हम लोगों ने एक कार पार्टी भी किया। जमुरिया टाउन हॉल में इसकी व्यवस्था हम लोगों ने किया था। उसके बाद जो हमारे विधानसभा के अंतर्गत गरीब हमारी माताएं बहनें हैं जो नए वस्त्र नहीं खरीद पाती, उसको घर घर जाकर के हम लोगों ने वस्त्र का भी व्यवस्था किया, वस्त्र भी वितरण किया। आप जानते हैं तृणमूल कांग्रेस है, ममता बनर्जी की पार्टी है और ममता बनर्जी हम लोगों को बार बार सिखाती हैं कि सब धर्म को सम्मान इज्जत देना पड़ेगा। रामनवमी भी एक तरफ चल रहा है, हिंदू भाई लोग पूजा पाठ में लगे हुए हैं, मुस्लिम भाई का ईद अभी परसों बीता है। अभी अपने अपने रिश्तेदारों से मिलने के लिए लोग ईद की शुभकामना देने के लिए लोग घर घर जा रहे हैं। मेरा यही कहना है कि सौहार्दपूर्ण वातावरण में हम लोग जमुरिया विधानसभा के अंतर्गत रहते हैं। वैसा ही हमेशा वातावरण ठीक रहे। और आप जानते हैं सिटी सेंटर जगह जो है वास्तव में सिटी सेंटर है कलकत्ता का। यहाँ पर हर बार हम लोग
Shreyansh Ekadasi captured the BPL trophy in the DPL Premium League.
In the final match of DPL Premier League Aidhemiman Premier League, organized by Rahul Enterprises located at ward number 58, Shreyansh 11 captured the champion trophy by defeating Bluebird 11 by 6 wickets. This league was sponsored by Nonia Real Tech Service Pvt Ltd. Batting first, Blue World scored 93 runs losing 8 wickets. The target of 94 runs was achieved on Shreyansh Ekadasi. While batting, Shreyansh scored 94 runs losing 4 wickets in just 7 overs. Thus Bluebird 11 lost by 6 wickets. Man of the match was given to Rana Das, founder of this league, and ward councillor Sanjay Nonia, Pete's manager Ramu Prasad, incline manager Gaurav Sharma, GCC members Vinod Singh, Bheem Prasad Nonia, Pralhad Ram, Amarnath Sharma, ATEC Joint General Secretary Anil Singh, women leader Anita Singh etc. were present. The winning team was awarded the shield and 25,000 rupee cash by Chief Guest Abhijit Gangopadhyay, while Kalyari agent R.N. Tiwari presented the shield and 20,000 rupee cash to the runner-up team.
Will have to download and read the changed syllabus of English of class 12th.
The West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education has come up with a practical solution to the minor changes in the Class 12 English syllabus. Class 12 students will not be given new English textbooks and will have to use Class 11 books only. The Council has announced that the changed syllabus content will be available on their official website. Students can download it from there and continue their studies. According to Council Chairman Chiranjeev Bhattacharya, the revised curriculum, which includes 2 new stories and a play, downloading from the website is currently the most accessible and free option for the converted English course.
Great inauguration of shooting range at Asansol India International School.
As per reports from Binu Srivastav, a state-of-the-art shooting range was inaugurated for the students of India International School at KSTP, Asansol. The facility was inaugurated by V.K. Dal, Vice President, National Rifle Association and President, West Bengal Rifle Association. On the occasion of the inauguration, school founder and director A.K. Sharma, famous shooter Abhinav Sao, school trust vice president Radha Sharma, school principal Sharmistha Chandapal, along with teachers, parents and students were present in large numbers. This shooting range is equipped with modern equipment, with facilities for 10-meter air rifle and pistol shooting. The school management said that experienced coaches have also been appointed for training in this range.
Continuation of running of summer special train.
To clear the extra rush of passengers, Railway has decided to continue the service of 07051 Hyderabad Deccan Nampally, Raxoil Special, 07052 Raxoil, Sikandrabad Special, 07005 Chalpally, Raxoil Special and 07006 Raxoil, Chalpally Special, as per its existing path, timings and stoppages. 1. 07051 Hyderabad Deccan Nampally, Raxoil Special will run on every Saturday between 5th April 2025 and 20th June 2025, and 07052 Raxoil, Sikandrabad Special will run on every Tuesday between 8th April 2024 and 1st July 2025. 2. 07005 Chalpally, Raxoil Special will run on every Monday between 7th April 2025 and 30th June 2025, and 07006 Raxoil, Chalpally Special will run on every Thursday between 10th April 2025 and 3rd July 2025. Moreover, the timings of 03 special trains have been revised as under. 07005 Charpali Ruxoil Special will arrive at Gondia Junction at 7:50 HRS and will depart at 8 o'clock HRS and will arrive at Raj Nandagaon Station at 9:28 HRS and will depart at 9:30 HRS. 07052 Ruxoil Sikandrabad Special will arrive at Bilaspur JN at 11:40 HRS and will depart at 11:50 HRS and will arrive at Gondia JN at 17:37 HRS and will depart at 17:47 HRS. 07051 Hyderabad Deccan Nampally Ruxoil Special will arrive at Gondia JN at 6:57 HRS and will depart at 7:07 HRS and will arrive at Bilaspur JN at 11:50 HRS and will depart at 12 o'clock HRS.
Great Kalash Yatra for Gayatri Yagya.
24 Kundya Gayatri Mahayagya started from Thursday in Andal number 12, in the beginning of which a grand Kalash Shobha Yatra took place, in which more than 1,000 women participated. This procession started from the Yagya Venu located at colony number 12 and reached the Yagya Venu via number 13, number 9, Post Office Mod, North Bazar, Police Station Road, which will end on 6th April. Prasad was distributed after the Kalash Yatra. Here the preacher Om Prakash Yadav has come from Haridwar. District Coordinator Uday Shankar Chaube, D.N. Thakur, Shekhar Prasad, Munna Singh, Shyam Mishra, Shiva Shankar Yadav, G.K. Rao, Anand Prasad, Rupesh Yadav were present on the occasion.
Road blocked in front of BPO office demanding drinking water.
Road blockade by the villagers of Laudoha in demand of drinking water in front of the Laudoha Community Development Official Office of Faridpur block of Durgapur. They complain that even though there is tap water in every house, there is not enough water coming from taps and the villagers are suffering from shortage of drinking water due to the closure of old taps by Fee Department. Despite repeatedly informing the PHE office to solve the problem for a long time, no action was taken in this regard. So today they are forced to block the road. After reaching the spot, the police of Laudoha Faridpur police station blocked the road for an hour, released water in the old taps and lifted the road blockade. No response was received from the PHE office in this regard.
Press meeting regarding Ram Navami in Banpur.
Keeping in mind the Ram Navami festival to be held on 6th April, Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate has been continuously organizing peace meetings at the police station level. On Wednesday evening, a peace meeting was organized under the auspices of Hirapur Police Station in a private marriage hall located near Prontik Club of Burnapur. DCP, West, Sandeep Kara of Asansol Durgapur Police, ACP, Hirapur, Ipsita Datta, Circle Inspector, Hirapur, Ashok Sinha Mahapatra, OC Tanmay Rai of Hirapur Police Station and other officers of Hirapur Police Station were present in the meeting. Police officials also said that no new route will be allowed for the Ram Navami procession under any circumstances. The procession will be taken out only through the old and fixed route.
It's time for today's SMS of the moment. We hope you like our video. If you do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.